No.
It's still going. Hi
Over
guys.
400 then.
No, 3:30. Hi guys. This is another episode of analysis concerning gold, and then I talked about how gold will reach 4,000 before this year, and it was when sef I think last month. I made that video last month and I document it on my YouTube channel. And then gold was around this area. I think gold was around 3,900, 3,800 and something, around this area also. Do you get? So unfortunately, gold has been going up since then, and I went as far as telling you guys that if you can follow follow the step I do use to take the trade, you can put as far as your stop loss more than 300 pip, then your take profit should be at 4,000, and I mark 4,000 that time. That video is still on my YouTube channel up till today. Do you get? So I told you guys everything that gold will reach 4,000 this year, before this year end or early next year. Do you get? So I was even scared because I did not believe the move that gold take um this period. So fortunately, and I told you guys that one thing that gold do these days is that if it reach some certain level, like if it reach some, like, let me just assume that it's going up like this, going up like this, going up like this, reach some certain level like this, it will consolidate seriously like this, and then break to the upside. You have a pullback and then boom. And this is exactly what I said that gold normally do, and I analyze it to you guys like this, that this is what gold normally do this time around. Gold has changed the way we used to trade it back then in 2023, 2020, 2023, 2024 early. Do you get? So now, what is the essence of all this whole grammar here? I'm just want to explain something to you guys, that gold will continue making a new high as far as it can, because one thing I have understood with market these days is every 3 years, market tends to change the pattern that we normally know before. Back then in 2023, if you analyze your chart, you don't need to struggle to anything. It respects support and resistance and everything very clear that time. But now gold is not respecting that. It will break to the upside and start going. You understand? So, and gold make all time high in the whole history in forex. Gold make all time high in 2023 ending. That was when gold make this type of move. Do you get? So I have been following it since then. You understand? So this is not new again. We took this trade and we hit our TP. You understand? And then I spot this opportunity again, and the thing hit me out before going in my favor. It was so painful. It hit me out. My friend is even laughing at me. It hit me out before going in my favor. It was so painful. I did not expect that. Look at it here. Look at it here. Hit me out during New York session. I think this is a mini news that was released, and it respects this is it fair value gap abi other block. I don't know. It respect this 50% level of this fair value gap. Do you get? So I don't know. It hit me out before going in my favor. Do you get? So that was just the whole explanation concerning today's trade. And then what I want to explain concerning this now is gold will continue to make higher high till this year end. You understand? Before we can see any reversal on gold again, I think it will be next year. You understand? And nobody knows the future of the market. It might be continue to be going up as far as possible. You understand? Because this is sometimes that this thing that do happen on gold most at times is fundamental. You understand? So and my next prediction on gold is my next prediction on gold is let me tell you guys my next prediction on gold. If gold continue to be making this type of move, it will reach 5,000 before next year end, 2026, right? Before next year end. But my next prediction on gold this year is gold will reach. I'm predicting that gold will reach um six 4,600 4,600 before this year end. So let's see how. Sorry, I picked a wrong thing. Predicting that gold will reach 4,600 before this year end. 4,600 before this year end. Let me just leave it like this. You get? So this is my new prediction. This is my new prediction on gold. So I even had like an information from one trading platform that gold will reach 4,500. The next higher high now need to be 4,500, but my own prediction is 4,600 before this year end. And then I have said this thing long before now that gold will reach 4,000 before this year end. So nobody knows. I told you guys that you should invest in gold. I think when sef since is it April abi May or something. Oh God, I will go and look for that video. I will go and look for that video seriously. I will go and look for that video. I made a screen record that time. I said that gold will reach gold will continue to be going up as far as possible. Gold will reach 4,000. Now anybody at all that has anything to invest should invest in gold. Do you get? So I've been following this thing long before now, not now again. Let's see JPY and see what is happening there. I placed an order on JPY and unfortunately it refused to activate me before going USD JPY. So let's see USD JPY. So I placed an order on USD JPY and it refused to activate me. And it went to and it went in my directions, and I don't know. So this is what I saw on JPY. This is what I saw on before. If we had any gap in the market, it used to respect. This is my first weakness on. Sorry, this is my first this thing that I've ever seen. That I've ever seen. When when we had this gap, I thought that it will return from this resistance zone to come and fill this gap before doing anything. But JPY refused to do that. Do you get? JPY refused to do that. So and it went as far as this before coming down. So now and it has been making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. You understand? So now, what did I see? I was predicting that it will reach this level. This is my trend line. Let me go back to 1 hour. So I was predicting that it will reach this level, this trend line, before coming to the direction, like before selling again when it was around this place. So when it was around this place, going up around this place. So I thought it would reach this level, at least 50% of this candle before coming down. Do you get? But it refused to activate me. So it respect this inner resistance and then went down finally. So I thought it will it will respect it and it refused. So this is my order on JPY here. It refused to activate it. See it up till now. It refused to activate it. So this is my order on JPY. It refused to activate it. So I don't know. In fact, let me just delete it. So that is just it for now. And then I don't think Anything to do on this chat, I'll be explaining in another episode of analysis. So thank you so much for watching. That is just it for now. It's a quick explanation concerning what is happening in the market for now. Do you get? So now on gold, if there is anything you should do now is to just wait for another consolidation, then you look for opportunity to join the trend. You should wait for another consolidation, serious consolidation, then you'll be waiting for whichever place it will breaks to. Like this analysis I did here, I was just waiting for any of the sides it will break to, then I'll join the trend, and unfortunately it break to the upside, and it hit our TP, but if it get us out before going in our favor, you get. But we got this one right. This one right, and then we also have this one right. We have this one right. We have this one right. We have this one wrong. It went in our favor, but it hit us hard before. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. And then if you have any question, please do it to ask me in the comment section. I will be glad to answer to you respectively. um Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, this young channel. Let's grow this channel together so that I can be motivated to be doing awesome content like this and more. Will be explaining on this YouTube channel. This channel will not be based on only trading. I'm just trying to build this channel to some level so that I'll start teaching something concerning freelancing, all those things that can be bringing small change for you. The another what you can do at least that will be bringing small change for you apart from trading, a backup business and all that, offline business, both offline business and online business that is not concerning trading, you get. So more will be explaining on the next episode. Thank you so much. Bye for now.